Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can download and install the Goodreads app in your phone device or phone. So let's get started. So if you're an Android user, you should must use a Google Play Store or Google search bar. If you're an iOS user, you should must use a Apple Play Store. So here you will just go and search for the app. Okay, Goodreads app. So here we can see the Goodreads app. Just click on here. Click on here at install. It will automatically download and install the app on your device. So after here you can just read many types of book online and you can just return it through them also, and you can see the ratings of the other people's too. It's not bad, it's not good, it's average rating, so the app is good almost. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.